I started the video already. Got him chilling.
Did you?
Yeah. Out here hiking.
Out here hiking, we found like what? A snake. We petted a deer. Now we got a little frog.
A tiny little frog.
I want to touch it.
You can go ahead. You can touch it. It ain't gonna hurt it.
No, I want to jump it.
It'll probably move a little bit. Oh no, it's on.
This? You recording this?
Yeah, it's on scare mode right now, so it's not gonna do anything.
I'm not even gonna pick you up.
Cause
Well,
when
you guys send me this recording.
Cause when you almost stepped on it, I think you scared it. So now it's like I ain't going nowhere.
That means you'll let me pick him up, right?
No, if you pick him up, he'll probably freak out. Oh, maybe I was wrong. Oh yeah, now he's moving. There he goes. Yeah. Oh, look at him go.
Can put my phone down so I can get 2 hands on him.
Oh, look at this cute little shit. That's crazy, yo. Oh, look at him. Look at him.
I got him.
Look at him.
I want him to jump from a height like this.
Yeah. Look at him chilling.
Look here, we got a little frog up in here.
No,
or
if
a
he,
toad. It's a toad, right? Oh,
no, he'll be all right. He'll be.
Come here.
He
Come
jumped
here.
out of his hand.
wait. I want to grab him again. It's okay.
Look
okay,
at
buddy.
him, yo. Look at him go.
It's okay.
Look at him
I got
go.
him. I think he peed on me.
Look,
No, that was water.
I think he peed on me. Nah, toads do be shitting on people though.
Come here.
Look at him go.
Come here. I gotta here, grab my phone.
I got you.
He's
bro.
slow. It's just like I need 2 hands for this.
Look at. I'm recording on both.
He peed on me. I'm not grabbing
There you
him
go.
again. He peed on me.
Yeah,
I
they
clean
do
my
be
hands.
doing them. That's,
Where'd he go? Oh, he's still right there. Look. I had him in my hand, so I don't care.
Let me try to.
He's gonna pee on you.
Where is he? I lost him. He's so
right there.
He blends in too well.
Here. You give me the phone.